So let me add the note point here. So let me first modify. Let me first modify and then see. Already I shown you yesterday's class. This is my abc.jsp. Where it is available? So this code is generated by whom? In work Catalina localhost to JSP app lowdown startup org Apache JSP. Okay, and this abc_jsp, this code is created by JSP container, but not me. What is my intention? If I modify this code, now I open this file. If I modify this code, suppose I am modifying today's date and time is. Today's date and time is, and actually I think we did with the instead of welcome to JSP, we tried with the CSMSS. Okay, so welcome JSP instead of welcome JSP, welcome to CSMSS CSCOE. So Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Okay, now I have modified externally and I click on save button. Now server is in running mode. Okay, server is in running mode. Fine. In front of you, I will restart once again. I have restarted. Let me open the same file. Here. Open. Does it have same contents? Yes. Now I am giving the request. Where's my browser? Just refresh it. Refresh now. Okay. Refresh now. Fine. Are you getting Sambhaji Nagar output instead of welcome to JSP? Huh? Why? Because I have modified JSP equivalent servlet.java file, but does it modify JSP equivalent servlet.class file? No. Right here? So I will give the hint. Try to compile externally. Is it possible? Therefore, yesterday we have compiled. Search a tool. How to compile a JSP equivalent servlet program or JSP equivalent .class file externally and modify and keep it. Will it work? Will it work? Huh? So let me give the answer here. So in this case, doesn't work. Okay. My question was, what happens if source code of a JSP equivalent servlet program is modified? I did not say it. I did not. I haven't told like if I modify .class file source code. Okay. So JSP equivalent servlet Java program. So Java program, let me keep in bracket. So you may ask reverse question, sir, Java program means .java file. Okay. .java file. You may ask a reverse question, sir, if I modify .class file, then again one more question, try. There are external compilers do exist, like we tried in the WebLogic. Similar way, you can try by using Tomcat also. Okay. So this modification comes in the output. Only when JSP equivalent servlet code is recompiled. And next request is given to JSP without modifying source code. That is, I'm writing in bracket, that is JSP program source code, otherwise modification will not be reflected. So how do I recompile now? How do I recompile? So to recompile, there's a tool called recompile. मतलब pause कर रहे थे. To recompile JSP equivalent solid program externally. What are the jars are required? We need to add following .jar files to class path. What are the jars, guys? So jasper.jar and expression language -api.jar. So where these jar do exist, let me open the lib folder. Lib, so slash jasper jasper.jar ठीक है. You can find in the lib API, as well as you need to add solid-api.jar and jsp-api.jar. You can find all the stuff in the lib folder itself. I need not to write the path once again. Guys, directly write the names. Need not write the full path, okay? So in tomorrow's session, we shall see about. Actually, I'm looking for the Tomcat compiler. Did I mention anywhere in my notes? No. Don't find. Okay, I don't find. So now next we shall see. Don't write full path. Just write jsp-api, solid-api, jasper.jar, and el-api.jar. Okay. Now next. So what are the tags do exist? JSP tags. Okay. Now we shall see about JSP tags or different types of JSP tags. So in JSP programming, following types of jars, following types of tags are available. What are those? लगेच घ्यायचं उद्या घ्यायचं आहे ना 15 मिनिट वेळ